Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can understand eligibility criteria and next steps for applying in YouTube Studio troubleshooting. So if you are facing issues in YouTube Studio and need to understand the eligibility criteria for certain features or a next step for applying, this is a step-by-step step to help you navigate YouTube's policies and troubleshooting options. So first, you need to check YouTube eligibility requirements. So different features on YouTube require meeting specific criteria. And here you can see if to applying for monetizations, you must meet 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. And there's no active community guideline strikes, and you have two-step verification enabled. You can check eligibility in YouTube Studio and the monetization tab. So if eligible, you can just click on apply now and follow the YouTube steps to sign up for AdSense and review policies. And if you want to have custom thumbnails, you need to verify your YouTube account and no community guideline strike. So if you cannot add thumbnails, you can just go to the settings on your YouTube, find the feature eligibility, and after that verify your phone number. And you can use YouTube Studio Troubleshooter. You can just go to the YouTube Studio and find a help center, and here you can just troubleshoot a problem, and you can also just tap on contact us to contact the YouTube support team so that they can help you fix the issue that you are facing. So if you lost access to features due to policy violations, you need to go to the YouTube Studio channel and also feature eligibility to check the restriction, and just click on learn more for steps to resolve the issue or appeal. And again, you can just contact the YouTube support for a live chat or email support. So to understand eligibility criteria for YouTube features, always check on the YouTube Studio monetizations and feature eligibility. And if something isn't working, you can use troubleshooters and support options. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.